Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified and back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually change the icon on your social club account from Rockstar. Now as you can see, my icon is grey at the moment and I can't change it in the games launcher. Now what I will do is right click it, simply go to there and click it, go to manage account, and it will take you to the browser of your social club account. Now from here you get a load of options inside the settings, but what you will do is you will choose the fourth option, that is avatar. Now as you can see, there's a load of options to choose from inside the avatar of the game, and here you can select even some categories. So if you want the GTA 5 category, you can select a option right here. Now let's say I want Trevor, simply press it, confirm it, and that's it. And now your account avatar is being processed, and it will take several minutes before it has been changed, but now your account profile picture is Trevor. Now if you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll try my very best to help you. If this tutorial has helped you, leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.